Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people are curious about, the size of the NBKc bank. But before we get into the numbers, let's talk about why this is even important. After all, how big is a bank, really? Well, the size of a bank can tell us a lot about its financial strength, its ability to withstand economic shocks, and its potential for growth. So, with that in mind, let's dive into the data and see just how big the NBKc bank really is. What is the NBKc bank? Before we get into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what the NBKc bank is. NBKc is a regional bank that operates in the Midwest and South. It was founded in 1906 and has since grown to become one of the largest banks in the region. How big is the NBKc bank? Now that we know a little bit about the NBKc bank, let's take a look at its size. There are a number of different ways to measure the size of a bank, but we're going to focus on three key metrics: assets, deposits, employees. Assets. Assets are the things that a bank owns. This includes cash, investments, loans, and other property. As of December 31st, 2022, the NBKc bank had total assets of $46.6 billion. This makes it one of the largest banks in the Midwest and South. Deposits. Deposits are the money that customers have deposited into the bank. As of December 31st, 2022, the NBKc bank had total deposits of $42.2 billion. This makes it one of the most popular banks in the region. Employees. Employees are the people who work for the bank. As of December 31st, 2022, the NBKc bank had 3,600 employees. This makes it one of the largest employers in the region. How does the NBKc bank compare to other banks? Now that we know the size of the NBKc bank, let's take a look at how it compares to other banks. Here are a few key metrics. Assets. The NBKc bank is the 10th largest bank in the United States by assets. Deposits. The NBKc bank is the 11th largest bank in the United States by deposits. Employees. The NBKc bank is the 12th largest bank in the United States by employees. What does this all mean? So, what does all of this mean? Well, it means that the NBKc bank is a large and successful bank. It has a strong financial position and a large customer base. It is also a major employer in the region. What are the risks and challenges facing the NBKc bank? Like any other bank, the NBKc bank faces a number of risks and challenges. These include economic downturns, interest rate fluctuations, competition from other banks, cyber attacks. What is the future of the NBKc bank? Despite the risks and challenges, the future of the NBKc bank looks bright. The bank has a strong track record of success and is well positioned to continue to grow in the years to come. So, there you have it. The NBKc bank is a large and successful bank with a bright future. If you're looking for a bank to do business with, the NBKc bank is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about the NBKc bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. If you're interested in learning more about the NBKc bank, I encourage you to visit their website or talk to one of their bankers.